Hello viewers, welcome to Adult Farm. If today is the first time I'm coming across my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I do particular videos like this for you. And in today's particular topic is how to do a crossbreeding, or why crossbreeding is important in livestock farming. And the particular livestock farming we'll be talking about today is goat farming. So like I said, why crossbreeding is important in goat farming. And crossbreeding is important because it will help to improve on our local breed like the African dwarf. As we all know, the African dwarf, their life weight is about 25 kg. They can't weigh more than that. But when you do crossbreeding or you cross them with another exotic breed, the particular weight that they're going to give to you is about 70-50, depending on the particular breed you are using to do the crossbreeding. It's going to help in their gene or their weight. Then second point is it's going to give you more profit, because if you want to sell a local African dwarf, you can sell it about 35-45, depending on the particular breed, like I said. But when you do a crossbreeding between those both livestock farming or those both species, you are going to gain more profit. You can sell a crossbreed about 170-180. Now, there's a particular farm that I showed a video, or that I dropped a video in my particular YouTube channel regarding that farm, and the farm is called Akufo Farm. I went to that farm and they were selling a crossbreed which is called Kalawad at the rate of 130-150,000. So you can see that crossbreeding is very, very okay and is very, very important in goat farming. Then the third reason why you should go into this goat farming and you should do crossbreeding, if you want to improve, or probably you want your breed to be good and strong, like on the Sokoto Red, which is the Hausa breed. They are not that strong compared to our African dwarf, but when a crossbreeding is being done, you can see that they are going to be very, very strong and they can withstand on doing this particular weather condition or climate condition, because crossbreeding has already been done. So I think with these few points of mine, if you go into this goat farming and you go into crossbreeding, you are going to improve on your breed.
Not now.
Okay.
Just follow that person. I will lay and don't say in sometimes. You understand? Okay, someone will come. I didn't send a good for there. Oh. But I'm happy to you see them. They have done well, but see, I used to what I'm saying.